The 4 common attributes in SNOMED CT, the clinical dictionary with an electronic health and care records. SNOMED CT has 3 components: the concept, the description, and the relationship. Each component has 4 common attributes: the ID, the effective time, the active status, and the module ID. Let's look at the information that each attribute in a component provides us with. The ID uniquely defines the component. The effective time displays the date that the row of the component definition was released. The date format is structured in chronological order with year, month, and date. The active status states whether or not the specific version of the component is active. In Boolean terms, 1 is active and 0 is inactive. The module ID identifies the module in which the component is currently maintained. A module is a collection of components that are maintained by a single organisation. Each organisation can maintain more than one module. They are organised to meet different business needs. The SNOMED CT core module and SNOMED CT UK clinical extension module have different module IDs. Where next? To learn more about components, watch the SNOMED CT data model animation in this series of animations. For more information, visit our website, email our SNOMED implementation team, or search for NHS Digital or SNOMED CT on Twitter.